Hi, I'm motivational youth speaker Gabe Salazar. Picture this. You get a phone call from the authorities and they're asking you to meet them in your son or daughter's principal's office. They've been caught with drugs. Now, unfortunately, this is an all too common occurrence that happens every day in America's schools, but you're not alone. And there's hope for kids all across America, even your child. But the biggest drug across America is alcohol. Alcohol and alcohol-related incidents are the #1 cause of death among teenagers, more than diseases and other deaths combined. So many students don't realize that alcohol is a drug and it's killing many kids. We want them to be smart with their lives. Another dangerous drug is prescription pills. And the biggest supplier of drugs in regards to prescription pills to the teenagers are parents. So parents, make sure that you're counting your pills, you lock them up, and you keep a good account of where those things are. So many students all across America are dying, being rushed to the emergency room, and they have no idea what they have taken because a friend gave them this pill and said it would make them feel good. Another drug that's very dangerous, it's hurting a lot of students, is marijuana. And some people will say, well, marijuana is not a drug, it's legal in some states. Absolutely true. Now, I would never stand here in front of this camera and tell you that an individual with special needs or epilepsy or another disease that they're facing should not receive treatment. However, students do not understand the different conversations between the THC compound and the CBD compound. So students don't realize that close to 80% of marijuana that's taken up by the streets by authorities is laced with things like PCP, heroin, and cocaine, and you would never want to give that to a child or an individual who's facing a disease and needs a cure. Common sense. We want students to make positive choices with their lives when it comes to drugs and alcohol, and they will be faced with that decision one day, and I hope that we can prepare them with the right information to make that right choice. Hey, I'm Gabe Salazar. To get me to speak at your event, school, or program, please visit my website at gabesalazar.com.